Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your institutional account details and that you have the temporary password the admin provided. This matters because the first login forces a password change. Next, open the installed Mumaris Plus application or navigate to the official web portal while on a secure network. Once done, enter your username and temporary password exactly, then proceed. Do not try password resets yet. This initial setup ensures the system recognizes your credentials and prompts necessary security steps. Once you enter credentials, complete any two-factor authentication that appears. Mumaris Plus often uses SMS or an authenticator app to verify identity, and that second step prevents unauthorized access. After verification, you must change the temporary password to a strong passphrase, use mixed characters, and avoid reused passwords. Then finish the guided profile setup. Enter mandatory fields, set notification preferences, and accept data processing consent. These steps finalize your account identity, and after setup, you'll land on the dashboard. Confirm the modules and patient lists match your role so you can start work immediately. If a module is missing, log out and back in to refresh permissions. Sometimes role changes take one cycle to apply. If login fails, use the password reset flow or capture the error message and contact your IT or Mumaris admin with details like username, timestamp, and screenshot. One key tip: clear browser cache or reinstall the client before escalating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.